What is up, my dudes? This is Sports Channel Dude here, and welcome back to Sports Channel Dude. So today I am back with another video, and I'm also back of reacting to videos. Yes, it's been a while since I have done those, but now I'm back. Sorry, it took very long because of college, but finally I am done with college. But anyway, today I'm going to be reacting to my fourth old video, which is me drawing again. And as you guys know, I'm in a different room. Because my old room that I usually sleep there and make videos there, it doesn't have power. So my dad is fixing the power in that room. So right now I'm sleeping here and making this video here. But yeah. So in this video here, I drew an animal. So the first animal I drew was a budgie. And as you guys know what a budgie is a bird who can speak, and it's a small bird too. But yeah, but anyway, let's get to it. Let's get to the video. Let go. Oh man. My intro. Oh, why are you pounding? What the heck am I doing? What the heck am I doing? What the heck are you doing? Oh my god. I think I was pretending to be a dragon because what I'm watching is Dragon Ball Z Super. It's like an anime show. I think you guys know what Dragon Ball Z is. Do you like Dragon Ball Z? Comment down below. Yes or no. I love Dragon Ball Z. I haven't watched Dragon Ball Z for a while. But, yeah. So, right now, I'm going to my room because my mom is yelling at me to go to my room because my dad is sleeping. So, yeah. Is Gage there? Bro, Gage is in there. My nephew is in there. Don't stop me, spirit proud. So I'm in my room, I think. Yep, I'm in my room. Wow. Oh my goodness. I still have that SpongeBob curtains from the window. I have lots of hats at the back. Y'all can tell that's all my hats I have. I have lots of hats. I love hats. And I got the Hulk mask. I got the Captain America mask. And I think that's Trin? Oh my goodness, Trin! That's my niece. Alright, I'm back. So I am... Oh, did y'all see that art book? I still have that art book with me. I'll show it to you after this video. After I'm done reacting to this video. So right now I'm drawing a budgie. I just started drawing the circle of the face. And it looks like I'm drawing the body. Man, I can't believe this. I think I was like 7 or 8 in this video. Golly, man. And look at me now. I'm an adult. I'm 18 now. Goodness, I'm actually an adult now. I miss my childhood now. So what I'm doing, I'm looking at the instructions of how to draw a budgie. I'll show it to you after I'm done reacting to this video. And I'm watching the show at the same time. Watching Dragon Ball Z Super at the same time. And I feel like at the back, do y'all see that red cloth over there? I feel like those are capes. Oh my gosh. I think those are capes. Am I drawing it with a pencil or a pen? It looks like I'm drawing it with a pencil, I think. Or a pen. I think that's a pencil. Well, let's see. Oh, the show stopped because
No, you can't go in there.
the CD has some scratches. Every CD happens. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Every time when it stops like that, y'all hear that. Okay, never mind then. I can hear it a little bit. Y'all can tell that's Goku saying Kame Kame Ha. It's been a while since I've reacted to, or it's been a while since I watched Dragon Ball Z. I played a game on the first time. That's how I started watching Dragon Ball Z. I first started the game because my nephew has a Game Boy controller. It's like a DS, but it's smaller. And he has a game called Dragon Ball Z, and I really wanted to play it because it's like a fighting game. And so that's how I watched Dragon Ball Z. So now I love Dragon Ball Z. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while since I watched Dragon Ball Z.
You can't come in here.
Bro, Gage! What is Gage doing in here? He's got a balloon sword. Oh, he's watching it with me. What am I doing? I'm supposed to freaking draw instead of... That's my niece. That's my niece. Oh, it has a low battery. Battery! Oh my gosh, with those... voice cracks, dude. I'm tired of it. They're making fun. My friends make fun of me when I do those voice cracks. It looks like I'm drawing it with a pen. I feel like that's a pen. I should use pencils instead of pens next time. Gage is still in my room because I saw his sword, his balloon sword too. That's him.
What is that?
The balloon is in the way. What's he doing that with the stool? Well, I think he's sitting down with it. Or he's maybe watching it. He's maybe watching this. Looks like it. Oh my god. That's a pen? I drew it with a pen again? Oh, I'm done? Oh, wow. And Gage is still in my room. Wow. Oh my goodness. So that was me reacting to me drawing a Budgie. And as you guys know, y'all saw that art book. I still have that art book, which is right here. Man, it's been a while since I used this, but man, I can't believe I still have this. I was thinking about maybe drawing it, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll show you the Budgie I was talking to you about. Wait, what's this? Oh, yo, I did not see this one. This was me drawing it, but this one's a different one. This one, I drew it since 2020, year of 2020. Y'all could see that. Alright, that's the date. Man, I need to pin this in my room. What do you guys think? What should you rate this? 1 to 10. How would you rate this? I mean, I did pretty good. What'd you guys think? I gotta fix that wing. I don't even know why I outlined this, but overall, what do you guys think? 1 to 10. Rate this 1 to 10. But anyway, right now, I'll show you the budget that I was talking about. The instructions right here. So I was looking at the instructions at the same time. So what I did, I started with this one first, then the second, and then the third, and then the overall you gotta color, which I didn't get to color, but you'll see it on my thumbnail and on the other channel's thumbnail, which is Sports Channel Dude's old videos. Go ahead and check that out, and y'all can see my old videos there. Make sure you go and subscribe to that channel. That's where I put some old videos there, and that is how I am reacting to this. But anyway, that was me reacting to me drawing a budgie, and I think the next video is gonna be opening presents, and then after that it might be another vlog, because we're gonna be on vlog number 21. We're gonna be going to Kissimmee, Florida, and we're going back to Florida again. I think that was the 4th time in this channel. And then in real life, I think we've been to Florida since 7. I'm thinking right now. Let me take my time. So the first time I went to Florida was 2012, which is when I was 7. And then since I was 9, 14. Oh, wait. I'm thinking. Yeah. Six times we've been to Florida. 3 times was at what is that called? I forgot. Let me see. I think it's in here, but it's like near Orlando. Is it Claremont? Yeah, it's Claremont. 3 times we went to Claremont, and then we went to Daytona for the first time, and then Destin, which is the 4th time of going to Florida, and then Kissimmee, where we're going at, and what else? So 3 times. 3 times was Claremont, and then Daytona, Destin. That's it. Kissimmee. So now in Florida, we're going to Kissimmee, Florida, which is like near Orlando, so that's gonna be fun. And then hopefully I can do another fishing video. It's been a while since I've done fishing video. I don't know which fishing video number, but I'm gonna check it right now. Fishing video. Oh shoot. Well, I'll check it out later. But I know it's on the 20s, but I'm gonna go check it out soon. It's been a while since I've done fishing videos, but and then I think after the fishing videos, I'm gonna be doing a try not to laugh challenge again. It's been a while since I've done a try not to laugh, but I'll do it again. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.